3 years ago, nung na-share ng isang right channel na ginamit ni Lord, na meron daw gustong magpaalam manligaw, or kung pwede na daw ba siyang manligaw. Ang sagot ni right channel, overqualified ka na. Napaisip din talaga ako noon. Sabi ko, kabalik loob ko lang sa presensya ng Panginoon at gusto ko sana mas mabuild muna o mas mabuild ko pa ang relationship ko kay Lord.
After our childhood memories, alam mo naman na nawala yung communication natin together. Matagal din yun at tunay na inayos tayo ng Panginoon together. At ang Diyos din ang gumawa ng kaparaanan. God made a way para magtagpo tayo ulit.
Oh, we'll have a few fights. Who's wrong and who's right? But I want you to know, at the end of the day, I'm always here to stay. No, you'll never be alone. Come what may, the highs, the lows.
My sister in Christ, my best friend, my Inday, and most especially, my love. Lubos na pasasalamat sa Panginoon na natagpuan at binigay niya ang tadyang ko. Finally, dumating ka na, my love.
Brother Raymond Paldustuyaw, my husband, in a few minutes, andito na ako. Ang Panginoong Jesus na mismo ang gumawa ng kaparaanan at gumamit ng mga instrumento upang iharap sa kanyang kalooban sa tamang tao at sa tamang oras.
But you and me won't. Oh, when it's time to say goodbye, we'll rest in our foundation, hand in hand on our knees, nothing between us. 'Cause in the end, even death could only lead us to you, me, and Jesus.
Sabi nga sa Proverbs 18:22, whoso findeth a wife, findeth a good thing, and obtaineth favor of the Lord. At tunay, my love, that you are more precious than rubies, as the Lord said.
There's the bridegroom waiting for his beautiful bride, and finally she's coming, walking up the aisle.
Salamat ka sa Diyos dahil after long years na wala tayong communication, pinag-pray ko kung ito na yung perfect time upang ipurso kita. And God answered my prayer. And now, my love, ito na tayo. Masasakal na. Makakasal na. Sabi ko nga dati, pag-usapang kasal ay wala akong interest. Pero, noong nagbabalak na magpakasal, gusto ko, the following day na yung kasal. Ganun ka-special sa akin. At handa ako na iharap ka sa Diyos.
Finally, the waiting time is over, and united time has come.
Brother Raymond Baldos Duyaw, higugmaon ko ikaw. You are the answer of my prayer. I will cherish this moment and will always grateful and thankful to God sa araw-araw na magkakasama tayo.
It's worth the wait. Lahat inayos ni Lord. And God made everything beautiful in His time. I promise that I will love you. Second to the Lord. And I promise to encourage you. Kahit na may sumpong ka, ayaw mo nung mag-isip, minsan matutulog ka na lang. I promise, love, nandito lang ako para sa'yo.
I know ang buhay natin dito sa lupa ay hindi perfect. Pero there's no worry. Kasi suma sa atin ang Panginoong Jesus. Karamay mo sa hirap at ginhawa. At sabay, papupurihan at paglilingkuran ng ating mahal na Panginoong Jesus.
Salamat sa Diyos at dumating ka na sa buhay ko. Thank you so much, love, at sumaatin ang ating Panginoong Jesus. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your love.